Alright, so got the welder out, but check out where I'm working. In the basement of a funeral home with a Mustang stuffed in here. It's even cooler as this. You ever work in a garage that has a hearse in there? I was talking to my brother-in-law the other day. This is fucking $82,000. They drive it a couple times a year. It's fucking sweet. Anyways, back to the thing that I'm doing. Got my welder out. Nothing special, just a little wire feed. Had this all clamped together. So get this crap all freaking situated. Grab my gloves. Throw my helmet on and fucking start this shit up. My welds may look a little shitty because I haven't played with this welder in a while, so I gotta play with it, get it adjusted in my first try here. So I'll deal with the crappiness. Can't get this camera to stay where I want it. Jesus Christ. Stay. Alright. Guys, you're just gonna have to deal with that shot from there. Okay. Where am I? Oh, bumped the camera. Oh. First pass, see if I get in the sides here. We'll have a gap. Let's fill her in. Welding galvanized steel, stinky. Oh, knocked you over. That was my stupid call. Okay, one more pass. And we'll do the inside of it. Oh, I don't have a wire brush on me right now, so I can't really get in there and clean it yet. But there's that. Take the clamp off. Holds. We're good. Finish this up and see you in the next video.